Good evening, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. What's really happening before the market close? So we can see that today on the economic calendar, we don't really have much. There's nothing. That's why the market was a little bit calm on the Forex side. But on the indices like Nasdaq, US30s, they were seriously moving. So tomorrow, Bailey is going to speak, Bank of England. So actually, I think it's the governor of Bank of England. So Wednesday, we have interest rates from Canada. And on Thursday, we have PMIs from Europe and British or Britain and also US. So here the market might move aggressively up and down because all these numbers will obviously have some effects on the market. So on Friday, we have retail sales from Canada. So we don't really have those crazy aggressive economic news. But yeah, the market can actually still move very nice, you see. So I think we're done on the calendars. We can actually go on our market. So you can see that I'm on a dollar index. I think maybe if I go on a daily time frame, you will see this nicely because 4 hours time frame and sometimes daily, there is nothing much. There's nothing much of a different, but on a daily time frame, you can see things way too clear. So on dollar index, this shows us that the dollar is still gaining that momentum. We can see the dollar going higher. You can see that we were coming from this nice downtrend structure. I thought maybe the market was going to continue, but you know what? We took a very quick U-turn. Now we're going up. So this shows us that, you know what? The dollar is gaining the momentum. Why? Because we know that there are rates coming. Why is it going up? There are so many factors. When there is wars and when there is, let's say, geopolitics, right? When there is geopolitics, people try to move their money to an economy which seems to be stable. And that, at the moment, is actually the US. We used to have, I think even now, CHF, a Swiss franc. It's also one of the safe haven, but things now are starting to change here and there. And also gold. Gold, or maybe we can say XAU, it's actually something that people will, investors will actually try to buy when things are not going very well. So that's why most of the time you will see gold going up and also the dollar going up. And most of the time they used to correlate, or they mostly have to correlate, you see. But when things are not really nice, you will see gold disagreeing with the correlation percentage that we used to get. But at the moment, let's go back on dollar index. You can see that since we had this breakout, I think the market is going to touch that level. I'm expecting maybe the market to touch this level and go a little bit lower. I saw on the comment section, someone said, Kenzo, DXY is still going to fly for a very long time. I think that it's happening. I think that it's happening. And I'm not actually disagreeing. I think, yes, it's been going up. We thought maybe it's going to reverse along the way, but nope, that is not really happening. But I will have to wait and see if maybe we're going to see a breakout on that previous resistance. If not, it means we will see a nice U-turn, and that will be good. That will be good. The stock markets are performing very well. Stock markets are performing very well. So yeah, it means the economy is doing good, but we will have to wait and see. So now we are on Gbpusd. If you still remember Gbpusd, we are still on that nice uptrend structure. Around this level or this area, it was our actually support area, but the market seems to be breaking out on that level. So once the market breaks out, we will wait for the market to touch this lowest support before we see a nice push to the upside. Or if the dollar is quite stronger, we will have to, obviously we will see the market breaking out. But you know what? We can't guess. We just have to analyze and see how the market is going to actually react after. But at the moment, you can easily see that the market seems to be going that low. You see, the market is going that lower. So yeah, maybe it will touch here, boom, go up, or maybe a breakout. So we'll have to wait for the market. So at the moment, we can easily see that yes, the dollar is quite stronger compared to British pound, but the overall structure, yes, is still actually a very nice uptrend. And I think it's reasonable to say the market has been actually going up for quite some time. So along the way, we will need a sort of a reversal before we see another push to the upside. I think that it's fair, you see. So let's push to the next one, which is actually gold. Gold, you can see this has been like seriously flying. The market has been flying very like seriously aggressive, and now still doing that. I think I saw a reversal, little bit of a reversal, but I'll have to I just have to sorry, I'll have to wait and see. Yeah, English sometimes just it's not, sometimes it's not English in, guys, sometimes it's not really English in, but anyways, yeah. So I think we see a nice push to the upside. I'm talking about these areas, and where we are now, we can see that we reach a level. I can't say it's a resistance, but it seems like the market will actually reverse. So let me zoom a little bit. Let me zoom a little bit so that you see. This is a very aggressive bullish move. So what we can do here is we can mark this area and say, you know what, the market just gave us an aggressive U-turn there. Maybe that will be a potential resistant area. Maybe the market will end up moving like that. But at the moment, we just have to mark that area. We don't know if maybe the market will reach this area as a support, but I think that is the most favorable one. These other ones, I don't think they will actually make anything. I think it's gonna be like challenging to buy or to sell around this level. We know that yes, the market is on that nice uptrend, but can you sell? The market might turn anyway, but still the market might still also reverse. So which means you just need to be extra careful. I'm talking about maybe the guys who are going to try to scalp there. You need to be extra careful because the reversal there can also be quite aggressive. But at the end of the day, I'm still quite bullish on gold. So now let's go straight to US30. You can see that we've been pushing higher and higher. Guys, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So you can see that US30, it's actually been going higher for quite some time. You can easily see that yes, the market has been pushing very nice, but if you can check that, the market is starting to give us something. The market seems to be trying to reverse, but if we go closer, it seems like this area, it might give us something. Do you see that level? I think the market might actually give us a nice reversal. If that doesn't really happen, as it seems like the market is starting to push lower, it means we might have to wait for the market to touch at this level before we see another push. At the moment, it seems like the market is about to reverse, and it means this level here, it might not really be valid or accurate. So which means we'll just have to wait and see. But since it's Monday, let's relax, guys. Let's not really fight the market. We can be wrong. So yeah, we can be wrong. We can be wrong. So it seems to be accelerating here, going lower. You can see this candlestick seems to be going melting, but since we had this reversal there, maybe the market will also find another reversal here, then we will see a nice push. So yeah, let's push to the next one. Let's see. For those who wants to be part of the team, guys, just let me know. You can scan that QR code and then you can still be part of the team. We still have that special. So now let's go on Nasdaq. So on Nasdaq, it's operating quite different, or it's moving quite different from what we saw on US30. The structure is still quite bullish. You can see that the market is still actually bullish. You see that. So what we want here is, we were just trying to scalp, and I think we got it right. The market did touch that TP, but I think the market can still play around here. So let's be safe around this level. So let's try to be safe. But at the end of the day, yes, we are on this nice uptrend structure. We had structures like this along the way. So yeah, I'm expecting to see a continuation of that bullish move, especially as we are still above this support area. So yeah, I will be trying to think twice on that. If I wanted to buy, I will just have to wait, unless if the market will be going back to that support. So now we are on US oil. So US oil is acting crazy here. We saw some crazy sell-off, around this level, but now it seems to be trying to reverse. So what can we do? I think it's way much better for us to understand that sometimes we just need to relax. There might be some geopolitics, there might be some OPEC meetings going on that we did not really try to check. So try to find out if maybe you're trading a US oil and understand why the market was selling. And from there, maybe you will understand that, okay, maybe there were some rumors about producing or more, or maybe cutting and stuff like that. Or maybe geopolitics also pushing things, but mostly geopolitics, they will push oil to go higher. But at the moment, it seems like the market seems to be playing crazy. So let's be careful around this level until the market gets out of that. Then we can jump on the market. But the overall structure, it was actually a downtrend structure. The market broke out, it came back again. So which means we need to be extra careful around this level. So anyways, thank you very much. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.